Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form invent. V2 past form invented. V3 past participle invented. V4 present par, inventing. V5 SESIES invents. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb invent? Answer. The base form of the verb invent is invent. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb invent? Answer. The past form of the verb invent is invented. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb invent? Answer. The past participle of the verb invent is invented. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb invent? Answer. The present participle of the verb invent is inventing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb invent? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb invent is invents.
Verb forms. Example sentences.
V1 scientists often invent new technologies. V2 Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. V3 many useful devices have been invented over the years. V4 she is currently inventing a revolutionary solution. V5 he often invents creative solutions to problems.
Subscribe my channel.